What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this nice little pendant using basic tools and 5 inches of 18 gauge wire. We've got cutters, rolling pliers, and flat nose pliers. And this is Scottish marble. We're going to start by taking our 18 gauge wire and bending it in half. And I'm going to check the stone to the wire, make sure it fits through. And then I'm going to take the pliers and just flatten down the bent area a little bit, bring it closer to the stone. And then we're going to bend both wires at the same time. And this bend is going to be done very close to the end of it since the stone is small. Now we're going to grab our stone and put the bottom of it into that loop with a little bit of space, and then cross the wires together and give them a twist. Since I'm using brass, it's easier to twist without the stone in your hand, but if you're using copper or silver, it should be a little easier. So I'm going to make this twist big enough to go to almost the top of this stone, and then just kind of adjust it, get it into place. And then once it's there, I'm going to bend these wires slightly down and across to the other side, a little lower than where my bends stop. Now that I've got it to the other side, I'm going to go ahead and twist these wires together. You're going to note that the back wire is going to come up a little bit. That's okay. And once you've got them twisted, we're going to bring that front wire back towards the front, bent in a little bit. Still adjusting the wires, pressing them to the stone to get the wrap nice and tight and in place. Now we're going to curl the top down towards the back to make our bail, and we're just going to have the end of the wire sit right behind the loop of the wire. Lastly, we're going to take that tail end we have and we're going to curl it down from the back to the front around that front wire, and then we're going to curl it again and then just crimp it down with our pliers. That way the end of that wire sits behind the front wire. So now we just do some final adjustments, make sure that there's no sharp ends and that everything's nice and neat, tucked in. Finally, we're just going to adjust the bail, look at the pendant a couple times, make sure we're happy with the finishing product, and voila, there we are. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and be sure to subscribe so that you can get updated with more free tutorials. And I'll see you next time.